Hello, I'm Nicola from Perun Moto, and today we'll show you how to mount our OS-Base supports on KTM 390 Adventure RX or Enduro. You need to have our top luggage rack mounted on the bike because this is not a standalone product. Entire set consists of left and right hand side OS-Base supports, 4 bolts and 4 countersunk washers. We will use 5mm Allen key, and that is all required for installation. First we will remove these bolts. Be careful not to lose spacers. Next, we'll prepare OS-Base support. Be careful not to mix them. When installed, the OS-Base support should be facing a little bit outwards, like this. I will put back this spacer and insert the bolts, and basically installation is almost over. Now all we need to do is tighten the bolts and we're done. Of course, make sure everything is properly aligned and rigid. This is how this should look, and we'll repeat the process on the other side. Now we are ready to install Kriega Adventure OS-Base on the bike. Before we do that, we need to pre-adjust these upper straps so we save the time. Approximately, this should be in 21-22 centimeters range. That will save us some time later. Also, loosen these straps as much as possible. Place the bags here, then take this strap and rotate it 180 degrees anti-clockwise, like this, and pull it through the slot on the rack. Do the same on the other side, but this time you will rotate the strap clockwise 180 degrees. The base should sit somewhere here, like this, and then if you're using our heel guards, just use the quick disconnect feature. Otherwise, you can pull this through the passenger footpeg brackets and tighten it. Not too hard, because we'll do another side. Again, same thing. Okay, and once this is installed, just retighten these straps, and of course secure this. We'll just provisionally secure it like this, but do this a little bit better before the ride. Also, there is a lot of space to store these straps. We'll just quickly remove them like this. And now a final touch. Undo this and pull the strap through the slot on the OS-Base support and then reattach it. This way bags are maximally secured and there is no place to move up or down. Do this on the other side too. In order for this to work, bags should sit as we show them to sit. Somewhere around here. Now everything left to be done is to move the straps out of the way and you're ready to ride. With this we're finishing the installation of OS-Base supports and the bags on the bike. You are ready for adventure and be sure that the bags will stay in place. Thank you for watching and see you soon.